It's weather. I'm not getting all bent out of shape about it. I mean, I'm glad to see the plows coming by a few times here on this street. I'm here to clear out the driveway so I can get out later on today. I saw the plows come by, so I figured I'd get a jump on it so I wouldn't have to shovel it when it's 4 feet high. It's part of living in Michigan.
It's like a kid going first day of school. You get a little jacked up. You know, you get all your stuff ready, you get all your equipment ready, and then you sit there and it's kind of hard to sleep at night. And, you know, it's like going out on a big event. Tomorrow's your big day. This winter, so far this year, it's been pretty mild. So we've been lucky that way, except for February, which she's starting to open up.
This is great. This is fantastic. It's much better than the cold. We much prefer snow so we can play than being stuck indoors in the cold. The kids couldn't wait to get out today because this is the first true snowfall of the season.